Hey guys, look what I got. That's right, today I have replacement cushions for my Bose Comfort headphones, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to replace these. Now this is a very quick and simple and easy process, but if you don't know what you're doing, it can be a little scary, a little complicated. The best part is that this applies to a huge array of Bose headphones. So stay tuned. Check the description for the model numbers that may apply to your headphones, and you're going to learn something. All right, guys, we are going to let this thing rip. We're going to try and do it in one take, but you know what? If it gets a little stagnant, I am going to just, I'm just going to fast forward if I need to. Just like anything, once you get the hang of it, it's not that bad. And I may bypass one of the things, which is changing out this piece right there. We will see what's going on. So here we go. The most important thing for you guys to realize when you watch this video is to click. So you've got this perimeter out here, and you want to slide it in. There are, in fact, I will pull this out right here. There are little things that this clicks into, little tabs, if you will. And be gentle, but don't be afraid. There we go. Like I said, don't be afraid. Now you can see what a massive difference there is over time when you get moisture in real world conditions. I sweated, I did all sorts of stuff, and this is my replacement for this, of course. So I am just gonna let this part be. And you see these tabs right there? Let me see if I can get it light. So basically what you want to do is slip this part into those tabs. Let me see if I can get even closer. So basically you want to get that rim, that connector, to adhere to this. So that's the goal, guys. Now it's not the easiest thing to do, if I'm being completely candid. It's a little bit tricky, but that's the goal. So you want to get it in the tab and make sure it's on the right headphone. So this is the left, and this is the left over here. So I'm working on the correct side, and sometimes you need your fingernails to pop it in. So the key is to get, kind of stuff it into the corner like so, and just keep it going around in a circle. Try not to smash the stuff too much, but also try and be firm, because we got to get it in the tabs, every single tab around the perimeter of this. And it can be tricky, guys, I'll be honest. But once you get it, it's there, it'll be secure, and it'll improve the noise canceling, because frankly the noise canceling is almost non-existent in relative terms versus this being nice and tight in there. And we're close. We are very close. Just need to get this final snap, and boom. Looks like we've got that first one in, guys. All right, so now I'm gonna come back here in a second, and then we're gonna try the second one. All right, we're pulling this one out. We don't need this. We've already got the other deal there. And honestly, I like the grayish look from the other ones better anyway. So let's pull this out. We're kind of doing in reverse what we're trying to do to reinstall this other one. So again, we want to look at the tabs. That's very important. And essentially stuff this perimeter underneath in this groove right here. So that's the goal. And you just kind of stuff it going around and around and around and around you go. And it'll want to pop up potentially, so try and keep that secure. Snap it in. And oh my goodness, guys, that one went in really quickly. That is awesome, because I have to be honest, it has been extremely annoying putting these on. All right, guys, when I was playing that last clip back, I noticed that the right ear cup wasn't quite complete. I thought that I had completed it super quick and super accurately, but I didn't. So I had to go around and push with my fingertip around the perimeter and make sure that that was finally done, or fine-tuned and absolutely complete. And bam, we're good. It feels great on my ears. The noise canceling is fantastic. It's improved back to literally out of the box when it was brand new level of quality. And I'm excited. Like, comment, and subscribe. And GB Linden, out.